my name is Demi Parsons and I'm a second year adult nurse student. I went to Ysgol Gynradd Evan James and I went to Ysgol Gyfrin Gatholwyd, both of which are Welsh medium schools, and I've spoken Welsh in the house with my family, but especially with the younger children that all go to Welsh schools. I've had multiple opportunities to speak Welsh with my friend in the university. Most of the time we speak Welsh to try and gain a bit more confident in our Welsh speaking abilities. I recommend anyone who can't speak Welsh to speak Welsh, especially with the patients. Even if you aren't fluent, even if it's just basic Welsh, the patients really appreciate it. I've had multiple opportunities to converse in Welsh with the patients. Most of the time it's with dementia patients, because most of the time they tend to forget their second language, which is English, and they go back to their first language, which is Welsh. And once you speak to them, you can see them light up with happiness because they sort of remember when they were younger, speaking Welsh with their families, and the conversation just feels a bit more natural. I feel it's important to speak Welsh if you can. I feel it's beneficial to the staff, patients and myself, and it also opens up more job opportunities.